So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is generate out reference lists in different format. So for example, I got this Wikipedia page right here, and if I were to actually go ahead and scroll down, you will be able to see, let's say for example, the reference list right here. So you can go ahead and then copy this out, let's say for example, and then press Ctrl C, and then you can go ahead and paste it. And at the end, you can simply go ahead and say, give me these references in MLA format right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, it says here are the references converted to MLA format right here. Now you can see, let's say for example, say now give them to me in APA format. Let's say for example right here, just like this, and as you do that, it gets converted into APA format as well. I can even go ahead and say give me in text citation texts for both of these, let's say for example right here. And as you do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and give me the in-text citation format, what I need to keep as per the references that I have right here for each of the format. Apart from that, you can also utilize Claude to actually go ahead and search for different sources. For example, you can go ahead and say, give me 7 book academic references on gamification in education in MLA format by searching the web for the resources. So I'm telling it to search the web for the resources, and from whatever it finds, I said give me 7 book academic references right here in MLA format. So once I actually go ahead and hit send, what happens is that it'll go ahead and search out the web right here, just like this, and you can see that this is what you have. It's searching out different sources, as you can see right here. So it's searching out the web right here. So it does take a bit of time, but you can actually see the sources. Like it found some PDF documents, it found some, let's say for example, books right here. You can see that it's searching out for some books right here and so forth. So it's doing a sort of a research to go ahead and filter out what books are actually good. And in a while, since I said give it to me in MLA format, it'll go ahead and give out the reference list in MLA format itself. It says, I now have enough verified information to compile 7 solid MLA references. Here there are. And then you can see that it gives me the link of it as well, just like this. So 7 academic references, as I said right here, in MLA format. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out reference lists in proper format inside of Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.